Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a read only on Google Sheets so you can edit them. So let's try open the Google Sheets from your mobile phone from your Android phone. So try to search the sheets or document or file that read only, for example this one. So this a file is read only. I cannot edit it. As you can see, if I tap on this document, there is no way I can edit this text. For example, edit the row, edit the number. I can do that in read only document. So all you have to do is just go back and you can tap three dot on your file, read only file, and you can make a copy here. Make a copy. So you can try to rename copy of read only, for example. Okay, copying, and here you go. You can edit it, the file that a before it only can read. So here you can edit USA, for example, and so on. So feel free to try to edit document that read only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the button below. See you in the next video.